free and being a human being with Shahid, and I think we have great chemistry.
We have kick-ass chemistry.
Kick-ass chemistry.
Fucking sexy chemistry.
Oh, there you go. There you go. चलो guys अभी थोड़ा सा भाई चलो अपने अपने जगह पे क्या बात है
Accept you for however you are. वही तो पहला क्या मेरा ही गिरा है? I must have said something really true. It's a sign.
Have you ever been in a love triangle?
No.
शादी हो गई, I know, मैं past की बात कर रही हूँ.
No. I have not had this love triangle situation.
Are feeling a little bit shy right now. They're like, आप लोग आवाज ही नहीं बना रहे हो. Okay, they're gonna go hide a little bit, but you know what's coming. You got.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Are you guys excited for Mashuka? I can't hear you guys.
Check.
Louder. Are you guys excited for Mashuka?
अभी भी नहीं होगा.
I think I. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys.
Can we do this without music because कुछ हम लोग गा नहीं पाए. Can we just sing? Just come here and sing with us. 1, 2, 3. Mama, mama, shuka. Oh, mama, shuka. तीर तेरी नजरों का तो कभी ना चूका. Mama, mama, shuka. Oh, mama, shuka. तीर तेरी नजरों का ना कभी चूका. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Wow, just when I thought I could do this for Carrie. Sybil Sunidhi.
Thank you so much. Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
Hello. Yeah, that's better. ये गाना बहुत ही favorite है मेरा and I'm really happy that I got to sing it. So I'm going to sing it for you. Yeah, hope you enjoy it.
Sunidhi, I need you to come and spill some tea, please. Can we please have our superstars here, please? Oh my God. I also have a confession to make. I just texted my Pehla Pyar backstage. I mean, I would blame you, but I'm not complaining. Guys, please join us. I've either made my Pehla Pyar, I was 11, very happy, or his wife very angry, or both. But that's Pehla Pyar for you, right? Amazing.
Rashmika's gonna sing this.
Rashmika's
Nobody
gonna
knows.
sing one line.
Rashmika sings so well. Rashmika is gonna sing one line.
It looks
With
like my
Sunidhi.
retirement is getting planned, guys.
Not at all. You're gonna kill it.
I'm
Which
sure you
part?
can sing.
I'll sing it, yeah.
We'll do lip sync. You sing, we'll lip
I
sync.
sing, you sing back with me. Like, repeat
I
after.
will lip sync, you sing back.
Sure. I think you can sing.
Little subtle bass voice you can add in there, like a little.
This is easy. Come on.
I'll do, but they'll all run away. With your beautiful face.
Don't come to
तू गा दे कृति, तू गा दे.
Guys, I'm not a singer. We have a great singer here. क्यों हम लोगों की बेइज्जती कर रहे हो फालतू में? You
अच्छा।
sing, we'll do lip sync for sure.
Exactly, ma'am. I agree.
That's our job.
टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर पे जो भी है वो जो भी पी रहा है वो चेंज कर दे बिकॉज उसने जब तलक लगाया हुआ है। यार कम से कम तुझको लगा देना, हम थोड़ा सा ऐसे दिखाएंगे कि हमें सब याद है। हाँ, टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर वाले भैया, टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर वाले भैया,
Wow, in Hindi, guys, nice.
ठीक है।
Now you must sing. Mukda.
Okay, Sunidhi, I'll sing. Forget these two girls. You just tell me how to do it. I'll do it.
जीन
I'll do it. I'm just getting nervous. I'll do it.
जीने
की है तू ही वजह, जीना तेरे लिए।
Okay, the track started.
I want to sing more.
You sing
She's like, okay, हो गया बेटा, रुक जाओ।
Go everyone! This is the Delulu I was scared of. Not only do you make us fall in love, but you make everybody think that they can fall in love to that soundtrack. Guys, please give it up for our superstars. I'm going to be making a lot of terrible decisions on this music, I can tell you that. But now that we are here, do you guys remember your Pehla Pyar at all?
Yeah, I think everybody remembers their Pehla Pyar. It's the first love. Do you remember your Pehla Pyar?
यार उस टाइम पे लगता है कि वो प्यार है, फिर बाद में लगता है कि शायद नहीं था।
Oh, clock.
It happens.
ये अभी भी कैरेक्टर में है, तो अभी भी आली के कैरेक्टर में है।
What about you, Rashmika?
Guys, I'm very happy being married right now, so I don't think I should backtrack
But
there.
you still remember your पहला प्यार ना?
Why? No, I'm very happy here, present.
Sunidhi, what about you?
वैसे तो पहले प्यार कई बार होते हैं मुझे ऐसा लगता है
Those hote hain to some people.
but I think I mean I'm sure I married the pehla love. Yes.
Wow, that doesn't
I
happen.
married him, yeah.
Thank you.
Shahid, what about you?
What about me?
Since you asked me about my पहला प्यार, what
I
was
said
your
ना सबको याद रहता है, but what matters is your आखिरी प्यार ना, the final one. पहला प्यार तो पता भी नहीं होता क्या हो रहा है actually उस time पे, you know. But love is actually when you settle and you know कि you can be with somebody forever and they accept you for however you are. वही तो पहला क्या मेरा ही गिरा है? I must have said something really true. It's a sign.
Wow, you make it sound like I really don't know what love is, but maybe this movie will teach me. We'll never know. But now that we are here and the teleprompter already prompted us, 6, you guys know what we're talking about. Guys, come on, let's hear it for Jab Talak. We are gonna be doing this Goa style. Like I told you, मैं अभी गोवा से आई हूँ and I can promise you हर beach club में this is popping off. I can't go to sleep without it. Running through my head, I can't wake up without it, and I am not complaining. Plus, we have our superstars here, and you.
Check.
Are you guys ready? Are you guys
Yeah.
ready? Summer anthem है यार, थोड़ा dance वांस. All right, let's have the track now. है ना? थोड़ा सा चलो हम गरम कर देते हैं फिर.
Good afternoon. How's it going? Ready for the trailer?
Yeah.
You know, it's been 13 years since we made Cocktail, and I feel, you know, a lot of time has passed by, but it just seems like yesterday, and I don't think all these lovely things that she was saying about Maddock, it wouldn't be possible without all of you, because you all have really, really backed us. You know, we've made films which are not traditional, and I see a lot of familiar faces here, and thank you very much for that. Thanks, baby, where are you? So I just wanted to quickly take a minute and tell you how Cocktail came together. You know, we've done a lot of sequels, but we try not to sequels just because it's the right move, just because it's a trend or it's in fashion. It starts with a story. Maddock is being built by storytellers. So my dear friend, who we finally now have a partnership with, Love Ranjan, who's the backbone of the writing of this film and a producer on this, is written probably the most relevant rom-com that I've heard in a very long time. And I thank him for doing this with us. And The thing about Love Ranjan is there's no one like him in terms of rom-coms. Like she said, he makes them messy. So thank you, Love, for this. My dearest and oldest friend, Homi Adajania, 23 years ago, directed my first film, which I produced. And he's here. And he's still... So I'd like him to come on stage. Yeah, Homi, come on. Let's go a little off script. Homi, he...
Take it easy now. Easy.
So why did you direct Cocktail 2?
Because you asked me to. I didn't have a choice.
Listen, we are in front of the press. Can you be a little nicer?
This is, huh?
Longer answer.
Well, we were thinking of making, you've been asking me to make Cocktail 2 for the last 12 years. And we never found a story. And now that we found a story which Love has given us, we made it. That's about it. It's a...
So, Preetham says it very nicely. The Cocktails actually Homi Adajania directing, Love Ranjan's writing. So let's have Love Ranjan on stage also. Come on, Love. So, Love, how do you feel about Homi now, before it started and now?
Okay, this we aren't going into.
No, we have to go into it.
Let's not go there. There was an embargo on us made by Dinu. For 3 months we were not allowed to communicate till the shoot. Now we are
No, but then
thick as thieves.
one night we had a few drinks too many and became best friends.
Few
है ना?
cocktails.
Few cocktails. तो दारू सब चीज सॉर्ट कर देती है.
Rest is history.
So, what is the one thing you'd like to tell everyone about Cocktail? Like, why should people come?
Because it's a story that you haven't seen before. It's new. It's fresh.
Myself, that was fucking awesome.
You may, please. Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for our beautiful cast and our creators. Can we have everybody up on stage? Please. Wow. I have to say, अब जब भी घंटी सुनाई देगी तो अलग ही घंटी होगी मेरे दिमाग में. A lot of things are going to be ruined. But I'm here for it, you guys. This is going to be a wild ride, like you said. A fucking crazy ride. क्या लगा ट्रेलर देख के यार? Look at you.
Hostess said it. Rashmika didn't say anything. It was her.
What did I do? Trailer is anything to go by. I feel seen as a red flag, a proud red flag. I think we're all going to get to see a little bit more of what can happen. Okay, I have a few questions. Dinesh, can we start with you?
Yeah, of course.
So you said that हमने ऐसी कोई story पहले देखी नहीं है. This is absolutely fresh, but it's also relevant now.
I think the current youth wants more connect. I think they're a lot more organic in everything, including what they eat. I think everyone is relying less on other highs and letting love be the biggest high. And I think this film gives love hope. And I think that's what's cool about it. Like the first one had a lot more, had a very intense second half. This second half is very, very unconventional. So, but like I said, I'm not going to say much. You got to buy a ticket.
Well, you have my money already. Like literally, my scanner is out somewhere. But speaking of the success, were you ever like scared of making the next one? Did you almost not make it?
I wouldn't say we didn't make it. We took 13 years to make it, so most people would be out of work by then. But I think you should make a film when, like we always say, you cannot not make the film. So when Love narrated it, we knew we had to make it. And I must tell you, this was the quickest casting in history. I was talking to Shahid. I remember I was at my balcony and I told him, this, there. You're a great actor, but here you have to have fun. And he said, yeah, I'm on. And same happened with these two. So I think it was the easiest film to cast. Cocktail 1 or Cocktail 2? I said I'll make the questions a little more interesting.
Ooh. I was
Masala
younger
chahiye,
then.
masala.
I was younger then. I had a better time shooting this one.
Are you being politically
You don't
correct?
have a choice.
No,
Woo!
because I live in the moment and this is my moment right now.
Rashmika, what about you? Which cocktail did you enjoy more?
In the first one.
Oh, I didn't know. Rashmika, say something. Don't you all want Rashmika? I know the Paps love her. She should say something more, na? Go. Come on, Rashmika. I know you.
What should I say? You ask a question, I'll answer.
Have you ever been in a love triangle?
No.
शादी हो गई, I know. मैं past की बात कर
No,
रही
no,
हूँ.
no. I have not had this love triangle situation.
What was the
So
cocktail
this
you
was my
had
first.
in your wedding?
Huh?
What's the cocktail you had in your wedding?
I actually didn't drink at my wedding. I was just too busy partying.
We made up for it.
Yeah. They made up for it.
Shirt, yeah, brand new hoodie.
Love you. Thank you so much.
Comfort or excitement? If you just had to pick one.
Kisi bhi t-shirt, for sure. I only sleep in kisi bhi t-shirts. I cannot sleep in anything that looks new or naya or like I need very old, comfortable clothes. So that's the line that I really resonated with. I was like, ये तो मेरी life है. So 100% kisi bhi t-shirt.
Wow, I wasn't talking about sleeping, but since we are there, Kriti, have you ever been in a love triangle since you asked Rashmika that?
What does that have to do with sleeping?
I think the
What are you
movie will
trying to
tell
say?
us more. You're giving away too much.
She was just trying a smooth transition.
Settlement.
Let it be.
Help
there.
me out here. Dinesh has already taken us off track. I love this.
Well, I think जब मैं स्कूल में थी तो I had a crush on my really close friend's crush. So it wasn't उतने भी अच्छे दोस्त नहीं हैं, you know. So I didn't do much about it, but yeah, I had a crush. But good, I didn't go for it because that guy turned out to be a bit of a red flag.
You had a crush on a crush's crush.
I had a
Or is
crush
it
on my best friend's crush.
Girl, okay, that's the tea right there.
I didn't do anything about it.
That's
It's-
cocktail 1 story, by the way.
Oh, all that happened in her head. It never really happened in life. Like so, we're of you. I think a cocktail is when actually there are two girls involved in life, not in our head. No.
It could be in your head also.
Did it ever happen? Like
No,
did
nothing
you ever-
happened between.
never
no,
in a
no.
triangle actually.
No. I just had a crush. Like I was a baby, you know. I just like crushed on
Shahid,
him.
have you got stuck in a
Such nice,
triangle?
sweet people on this stage.
I think
can't
Shahid
talk
has got
about-
stuck in a couple of
I really
triangles.
can't talk about.
I think you must give us
It is
something
very
spicy
politically
here.
correct for a film that we're trying to make very real and raw and organic. Everybody's very politically correct, so I will also say never. फिर तो मन में भी ख्याल नहीं आया था.
He didn't do a triangle, he did, what is it called? A hexagon.
मेरा circle था मैं, you know. Started from the same place and ended in the same place.
क्या बात.
It's like.
That's an LIT situation then. But if we're talking about triangles being hypothetical, then real life would be a threesome, right? Has anyone on this stage had a threesome?
कौन
Has
बोला
anyone
ये?
on the
Of
stage had
course,
a threesome?
everybody here is going to tell you when they've not answered the triangle question.
I was trying to catch you off guard. Everyone's
Press
trying to be
what we've
really
done.
spilling it.
I
Somebody
think you're
back
on the
there
wrong
said.
stage right now.
There was
I really
somebody
feel
back there
so.
said yeah.
You guys seem to know so much about this. I feel like the kid.
There was some banda
You should
there
ask
who
the
said
audience.
yeah. Who's the yeah? Who said yeah? Almost like you're like in the middle of it right now. कौन था भाई? हाँ? कौन बोला? है ना? कौन बोला? चाचा.
पीछे से आवाज आ रहा है।
चाचा. अरे चाचा. कौन थ्री थे? तुम, तुम्हारे ख्याल और तुम्हारी तन्हाई.
Love, what is it about just a two-person love story that is just not enough for you?
इससे पहला लव ट्रायंगल लिखा है ये। इससे पहले ट्रायंगल कभी नहीं लिखा है।
इसमें दो लड़के और एक लड़की थी ना आपका जो पिछला ट्रायंगल था.
हाँ, उसमें
मोहब्बत दो लड़कों के बीच
रोमांस था। ये एक्चुअल एक लड़का दो लड़की की पहली फिल्म लिखी है मैंने।
But how is that different?
How is that different? It's different because आपको दो अलग-अलग तरीके के कैरेक्टर्स और उनके प्यार के साथ खेलने को मिलता है।
खेलने को?
हाँ, मतलब एज अ राइटर तो आप खेल ही रहे होते हो ना। और सब क्या हो गया ना कि इसी वक्त जैसे बदला है तो उसमें लव स्टोरी से 10-12 साल पहले हम कभी भी ऐसी लव स्टोरीज की बात नहीं करते थे जहां आप रिलेशनशिप में 8 साल से हो, 9 साल से हो, तो इसलिए कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स बहुत चेंज हो गए। पहले की आप अगर लव स्टोरीज उठा के देखोगे, वो प्यार को पाना वो सबसे बड़ा कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होता था। आज प्यार को बनाए रखना अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है।
I clocked it. It's the maintenance. You're right. This is very relevant, right? Are you speaking from personal experience?
What, the love triangle or?
I don't know. You said this is relevant.
No, I think this film is extremely relevant because it's not just black and white love like we've always shown. I think there are a lot of things like, I mean, if you think about cheating but you don't cheat, is that still cheating? Is the intent more than the physical act? So it deals with things like that, which very sort of subtly go through the film, and you really wonder, like Dino said, buy the ticket and check it out.
I think we should ask Rashmika to explain that there are a lot of rumors that you and Kriti are a couple in the film. Do you want to clear that right now?
I think the rumors are coming from one place only, I feel.
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
From where? Shahid?
I didn't say nothing, guys. Oh, why would I want it that way? Sorry. I have nothing to do with that. कहाँ से आ रहे हैं rumors? कौन फैला रहा है?
No, but Rashmika, for real, your chemistry with Kriti has been on fire. Like, how easy was it to click into that?
Instantly happened. Instantly. There was no, I think reading was the first time we actually met.
No, actually, we first met when we worked out together in the same studio, and I literally died because she works out like a beast, and I really didn't know that.
No, but instantly, even that day, there was no effort. It was just so easy. And when we started,
Do you think
working
that's
out-
the reason people think this is a lesbian love story?
You never know.
I think it's really
Because
sad.
of your natural chemistry.
But I think it's really sad because, like he said, दो लड़के होते हैं तो ब्रोमांस हो जाता है स्ट्रेट, दो लड़कियां होती हैं तो somehow people don't want to believe they can be friends. या तो इनमें rivalry है या फिर अच्छा दोस्त लग रही है, नहीं तो फिर तो कुछ और चल रहा होगा. So it's really funny.
Okay, let me
I
just
think-
clear it up. This is where the rumor came from. We were all sitting on the set. They definitely get a little cuddly with each other because they are friends. And we just sort of hypothetically thought, hey, what if the story was about them and Shahid was the third wheel just driving that
I think it could be a
coupe?
cool one.
So just
sorry.
as you
So
see
there
in
is
the
nothing.
trailer, there are two love stories. पुराना लव और नया लव, और ये लव और कुछ नहीं है, किसी का लव नहीं है इस पिक्चर में, ठीक है, और कोई लव नहीं है.
There's always a third with you guys, isn't it? But you were talking about how there was like this instant chemistry, and you guys spoke about the first reading. How much of the dialogue was scripted, and how much of it was just
In the
them
trailer?
real life? No, like in the movie.
See, the trailer, I can tell you, there was never a threesome line, which Kriti just said. That was improv.
Can you say
And in
that
the
slowly?
trailer, the threesome line was never written. So.
Of course it was there, I read
No,
it.
no, no.
You written it,
No,
right?
she just said it.
Homie, calm down.
And the other thing which was improv in the trailer was that Ghanti sound. It was never there.
That wasn't
It was live sound.
I think Gandhi is going to sound very different out of me. Yeah.
Guys, yeah.
Okay, now
Vicky,
she
why
watched
did
the
you add
trailer
the
again.
threesome in the script? Vicky, why did you add the threesome?
Why are you changing the writer's line?
Yeah, but it's your
The
line. I
writer's
don't know
line.
what fantasy of yours you've put in it, but it's your line. It's a great line.
But homie doesn't remember it.
Homie doesn't remember most of the lines.
Okay, Rashmika wants us to go in a different direction, and for your work,
Direction.
exactly.
This is going elsewhere, guys.
Okay, Rashmika, can you tell us a little bit about your character? Let's give you a question, you'll answer.
Where do I begin? Dia is a overthinker, which I feel is a common tag between me and Dia. But otherwise, just the way Dia thinks about situations or what she's done in the film is something which I would have never probably done in my life. So constantly the conversation with Homester was like, are you sure this is okay? So I remember having that conversation and he pretty much convinced me that it's absolutely normal. So
For example?
that is, I don't,
Like-
that, yeah.
Oh, you can't say
that.
anything.
No.
No, only with us.
That, yeah,
Sorry.
can't say. So that is that about Dia, but I think it's actually a slice of life. You guys will relate to it. There are some things which you might probably feel like this has happened in my life or is happening in my life. So that's on you guys. Watch the film, and I'll leave it
to you. Well, I can't wait to meet Dia, Ali, and Kunal. But now I'm gonna leave it up to you guys. आपको कुछ सवाल पूछना?
The balcony, I decided that it's Shahid, Kriti, and Rashmika to be casted.
इससे तेरी लाइफ को क्या फर्क पड़ता है वो कहाँ खड़ा था यार?
Actually, you know,
It's very interesting.
Shahid lives across my building.
Wow.
So I was thinking, I'm दिख गया मुझे इसलिए cast. Is that a better story?
Yeah.
I think it's better. You can write that.
Kriti, my next question
Hi.
is for you.
कृति हमारे बिल्डिंग में ही होती है तो हम उसको cast कर लेते हैं.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please say.
So, my question is, you've literally raised the temperature in Mashuka. Like, you're my spirit animal.
Oh, wow.
You're like the carefree person, the carefree character I have seen. How was the experience flaunting beautifully your body in the movie and even in Mashuka? We loved
I
it.
must say it was a very tough experience because I wasn't getting to eat much, and I was for the first time in my life on a very strict diet, that too in Italy. And I think Shahid can vouch for the fact that I was extremely cranky and hangry all the time. So yeah, I hope so. Now that you're saying that Ali is feeling like your spirit animal, I hope everything is worth it. Yeah.
Hello. Homi sir, my question is for you. So you've of course been with these people, and but there was always
Which
the
people?
fun. The trio, I'm talking about Shahid, Kriti, and Rashmika. So I want to know what are the quirks about them that you actually had to, just be with, and you were like, okay, this is something I'll have to deal with every day.
I'd have to say Shahid was the easiest to work with. He was. Sorry, girls. But for various reasons. But anyway, we won't get into that. Their quirks while shooting, I can tell you. These are these small things I've noticed. Shahid, when he's flustered, will start blinking madly. And something else is going on in his head because he's just constantly like this.
And you always come and tell me, stop blinking.
Stop blinking.
Everything will be fine. Just stop blinking.
Yeah. Kriti has a question in a non-question also. So she will ask you 1 million questions, which I like. I like actors who ask questions. But Kriti will also try and put her point across to you when she knows I'm not going to listen, as if it's my idea.
There's no harm in trying,
No harm in trying. And Rashmi, a live wire, fantastic actor between action and cut, after which she falls into deep sleep. We never see her. When we're eating during the shoot, whenever we have non-stuff left,
Homi, you're being
true
rude.
sleeping.
I've seen her 3 times. I came always on the treadmill.
That was in the shot. That was in the shot. Otherwise, But yeah, so she's a different animal when you say action, and then she's a ghost after cut.
Actually, I have played a robot with Shahid, but in life, she's the robot because I don't know how she functions. She has a huge battery life because she still is able to function after doing 10,000 things every day.
Okay, now should we take photo and see the movie?
Rashmika, Pelli Roju Shubhakankshulu.
Thank you.
You are such a beautiful bride.
Thank you so much.
My question is for Rashmika.
You mean in the trailer, right? She's also a bride in the trailer.
Oh, she was killing when.
So she loved her as a bride in the trailer. Going on.
Thank you.
Lovely. So my question is, your previous films, when we talk about Chava, The Girlfriend. Oh, I loved The Girlfriend as well. Amazing. And they have been a bit on the heavier side. And now Cocktail happens to be, the lighter version.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
what made you pick Cocktail 2?
Dino sir, Love sir, Homi sir, the whole gang. As in, I had to come with No, but honestly, I was really scared because this is by far the most urban I've looked in cinema. And because of my films thus far, I feel like the audience sort of somewhere expect a very serious, dramatic sort of performance from me. But for the first time, I've done something this lighthearted, which is specifying on friendship, the madness, the love. For me, initially I was like, is this the right move to make? But at the same time, because I've never done something like this before, I had to do it. Because I feel like the audience are also something surprising, something new, something very different. And that was one of the main reasons why I thought it was a perfect fit.
Also, was it easier?
No. Filmmaking is not easy, my love. I feel like no films can be easy, but definitely the people who you're working with can make it very light for you, very memorable for you, and this was one such.
Thank you.
Thank
Hi
you.
Shahid, Pankaj here. How does this special moment feel for you, and how does it feel to anchor this kind of a project?
College portions make me feel very embarrassed. I almost want to apologize to my children because I know when they grow up, they'll be like, Dad, you were 45 when you're doing that? Like, why? So, but I must say that, I still enjoy doing all types of things. As an actor, your primary job is not to be yourself. That anybody can do that. It's to do things that might seem very far-stretched. There are actors who play much older themselves, actors who have to play younger. But, I mean, it's just fun, man. I actually wondered, before I started this film, will I be able to bring to a film like this, and whether I'll be repeating myself. But by the end of the film, I actually thought to myself that why haven't I done this in so long? Because I had such a good time doing it. But I don't think it would be possible if I did not have, say, a Dino think about me, because I live across, so that was just good luck. So he didn't, you cannot give that credit to him. But, having Homie as a filmmaker who brought something new out of me, who was not interested, really helps.
None.
Yeah, he said none, right? So that really helps because, I think for him, he doesn't care what we've done before and he's looking for his character, and that actually helps us do something new. And I don't think I could have done it without Rashmika and without Kriti. I think they are an amazing cast for this film, and it's really the energy of everybody that's showing in the film. It's not about any individual.
Shahid, you want to say something about Pritam?
ये आ गए हैं, ये हमेशा लेट है, मैं माफ कर दो।
This is the fourth person in the threesome. Pritam.
Pritam is late because he's got a surprise for you. He's going to show you one more song today. Correct, Pritam?
We started, but I think the first day Homie just made some expressions and showed me, and I was like, अब अगर यही करना है तो फिर सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है, बस निकल जाते हैं इस राइड के ऊपर, and कुछ अच्छा हो गया bro, because he completely broke the stereotypical approach that an actor has, and that's why I keep taking his name again and again. He'll get tired, he gets very embarrassed. Everything Kunal is because of Homie. I would say all of us.
Yeah, absolutely.
My second question is for Homie. Homie, all your
From Bollywood Helpline.
Ji.
First of all, congratulations. This looks amazing. Thank you for giving us this trio. 13 साल पहले we had these three. ये हमारे Gen Z का trio है, I would like to say. So thank you so much. And
You're
वो
most
time
welcome.
में Cocktail was an emotion. Cocktail 2 के गाने अभी तो इतने hit हैं. We had a whole ass concert. I'm sorry. But
No,
Pritam
Rashmika knows that language.
we all know. So Pritam Da के साथ, how are you planning to create that magic again with the whole album? Because अभी हमने 3 गाने देखे, but there's more coming on the way.
So now, where's Pritam Da? Come here.
My question is,
So Pritam Da is the most. Gives you so many options. Like even today, there'll be behind. You can go and open the. There'll be A, B, C, D. Now the team is confused which one to play. But the thing is, he doesn't give up, and I think that's what we have in common. I believe with Maddock, not just me, all these lovely people here, they keep going at it till the best possible product comes out. Cocktail was the first film Maddock made. It built us, and then there's been a long journey. And when you say it's an emotion is great, I hope we live up to it. But there are 2 people outside of Love and Homie who built Cocktail. One is Pritam and one is Anahita Shropadajani are there. Because, come up. She's the one who made, she's also common. She made Deepika, Saif and Diana look the way they did. And now these 3 are also thanks to her. So it's not just Homie. So Shai is giving a lot of credit. So I said behind every good looking man, there's an even more good looking woman. Yeah.
Homie sir, I want to ask one last thing. वो trio. Give me who?
दीपिका, डायना और सैफ सर की कितनी झलक है हमारे नए ट्रायो में? While writing, how much did you keep that in mind?
Love wrote.
Love should answer this.
Love answer that.
Love, sir,
But I don't think
Since you've
anyone
been
in-
asking Homi questions about writing, love is just
नहीं, उनकी कोई झलक नहीं है उनमें, क्योंकि अगर उनकी झलक होती तो सेम फिल्म बन जाती ना फिर तो नए कैरेक्टर्स हैं, नए लोग हैं, इसलिए नई फिल्म है.
Also, the conflict is new. Cocktail was just, you know, a vibe and about, like you said, two people falling for the same person, right? Whereas this cocktail has a very strong plot point, like Love does most of the time, which we've not revealed. So we'll give you a little bit more when you come into the theatre. And the good part is you can watch it with everybody.
And I think this is actually, even though it's a very international looking film, I think this is closer to home for me as a subject. I think it's very relatable, very warm, very Indian in its heart in terms of the reality and the truth of the emotion. और जिस सोसाइटी में हम रहते हैं वहाँ पे कैसे बिहेव करना चाहिए, कैसे करना पड़ता है और महसूस क्या होता है. आई थिंक ऑल दैट हैज बीन कवर्ड वेरी इंटरेस्टिंगली.
शाहिद का ससुराल भी दिल्ली है और इस पिक्चर का ससुराल भी दिल्ली है. So full second half is Delhi.
My question is for Love and Ankur.
घंटी भी बजाने को मिल जाती है आपको.
बेटा दूर से ये सब बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. थ्रीसम तू तब तक सो रहा था. थ्रीसम कीवर्ड्स तो पिकअप करता है. इसको डिजिटल टीम में रखना चाहिए. ही पिक्स अप कीवर्ड्स. वो तो देख ले फिल्म में क्या क्या मिला है, क्या नहीं मिला है.
I want to clarify, there is no physical threesome in the film, it's only emotional threesome. It's a family film.
He's very disappointed.
No.
Hello. Yeah.
You are going to accept it. नहीं Love ऐसे बोल रहा है उसको.
Hello. Yeah. My question is Shahid. Rashmi witty, good sense of humor, good timing. On the screen also and off the screen also. How was your experience when it was during the shoot?
That's why we cast him.
So this is my second film actually with him. Honestly speaking, it was lovely being a human being with him this time. And I really got to react off him. तेरी बातों में I remember मैं हर बार शाहिद को बोलती रहती थी, you know, I just feel so stuck, I'm not able to react to you. And he's someone who improvs a lot, you know, and I love actors like that because there's so much you can feed off them. So I had a lot of fun finally being free and being a human being with Shahid, and I think we have great chemistry.
We have kick-ass chemistry.
Kick-ass chemistry.
Fucking sexy chemistry.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Rashmika said it.
Hello, Rashmika ji यहाँ पे.
She was feeling so bad for so many days. I was like, चल मैं भी आ जाता हूँ.
Hello, Rashmika ji यहाँ पे. Just आपकी यहाँ पे. Firstly,
Sorry,
congratulations.
one second, she didn't answer a part of the question.
This question, can I? So, I definitely found it extremely easy, and I'll tell you how, and I'll tell you why. Yeah, sorry, you have
Sir,
left
आपने
spelling, but I'll
question
give you the
पूछा,
answer,
answer
guys,
तो सुन लो.
anyways.
कहाँ गए? आधा क्वेश्चन खत्म हुआ है. He's gone.
Okay, chalo, should we? Working with Shahid, because you know between action and a cut you normally have to say what the lines are written, but somewhere Shahid and I, after the cut would happen and they would still roll, there would be these little improv sort of lines and little you know actions that we would do, which I felt we were truly in the character, and it was genuinely, it was those bits which was really special for me, because you don't get that with a lot of co-actors, you know, you like.
And me, special for me as well, very much.
I feel like those are extremely, as in if we were to release a extended cut, you would probably see, but I don't know how much is there in the film, but
There is
that would
another
happen.
cut that Homi wants to do. I think this is the moment for you to announce it so it happens.
We'll be doing an extended cut, which will be Cocktail 3 after this. And that will definitely be an adult film.
Hello. Hi. So you have given a lot of love. The audience has given a lot of love to Cocktail 1 album. Me as a person have changed in the last 10-12 years. Now I, more than the finality, I look at the journey. Cocktail took a journey, has been one of the most amazing journey of my life. I have really enjoyed working on the film because Dinu, Homi and everybody has been so much fun. We have gone to Sicily. After
Too much pressure. I must say, it is so much pressure. After the nostalgia of something that is successful is much bigger than what it was at that time. Like, I'll give you my example. Like a film like Jab We Met, at that time it did well, but it just lived on and became bigger. So it's too much pressure when you have to make a second album after the first one was so iconic, and you've done an insanely good job.
I don't take that pressure actually. Stop taking that pressure.
No, but you killed it.
It's not the whole thing is also flavor-wise. Cocktail 1 and Cocktail 2 flavor-wise as a movie. Because कोई भी movie अगर start करो, you first read the script. And this is love star के लिए एकदम love के लिए this has another flavor. So Cocktail 1 के साथ तो compare करना it's not grow अभी whatever wherever it is. Cocktail 2, I think we have done our best work. Let's see what it is up to you now to enjoy the film, enjoy the music, and hope you like it.
कृति लुक गया, कृति लुक गया।
कृति जी आपका लेफ्ट मैम, लेफ्ट में कृति लेफ्ट
देखिए, कृति लेफ्ट जाओ। कृति लुक गया, कृति। शाहिद भाई लेफ्ट में, शाहिद भाई लेफ्ट में। शाहिद भाई लुक गया, शाहिद भाई यहाँ पे।
सर लेफ्ट में, शाहिद भाई लेफ्ट में। रश्मिका
रश्मिका लुक गया। लिली यहाँ पे, लिली लेफ्ट में।
सर सेंटर में, सर आप सेंटर में आइए।
बहुत ऑफ यू लुक गया, बहुत ऑफ यू लुक गया। लेफ्ट में देखिए सर, लेफ्ट में देखिए सर, लेफ्ट साइड सर, लेफ्ट में, लेफ्ट में, लेफ्ट। साइड में लुक गया, साइड में लेफ्ट में।
सेंटर
रश्मिका लेफ्ट में।
एक सेंटर सर लेफ्ट में नहीं देख रहा
सर लुक गया सर। कृति यार लेफ्ट में देखिए, लेफ्ट। कृति लेफ्ट में देखिए, रश्मिका लेफ्ट। लेफ्ट साइड लुक लेफ्ट साइड। वेट
Dinesh, so you said we're going to get to watch a song that nobody has seen.
They want this couple's picture, yeah? Kriti. Sir, both of you look here, sir. Left side. Yeah.
Okay? Yeah. ये लोग भी इधर आएंगे. चलो गाइस अभी थोड़ा सा भाई चलो अपने अपने जगह पे क्या बात है
चलो चलो छोड़ के आएंगे चलो बाय रश्मिका पीछे रश्मिका रश्मिका भाई मोबाइल तो नीचे ले ले यार इधर उधर घूम रहा है तू यार थैंक यू लिली चलो रश्मिका बाय रश्मिका बाय टू बाय लिली बाय बाय
पीछे आ जाओ पीछे आ जाओ पीछे आ जाओ गाइस पीछे आ जाओ पीछे आ जाओ गाइस पीछे चलो चलो साइड हो जाओ साइड हो जाओ साइड हो जाओ साइड गाड़ी के पास से हटो दादा गाड़ी के पास से हटो